This video is sponsored by Jada Dev, a store of high-quality scripts and maps. Store link in the description.
Hey everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a most advanced target eye system for our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which you are going to install into FiveM server. The link will be in the description below. The script will cost you around 20 euros. You just to click over here and purchase the script into your CFX portal and download the script. After downloading it, we need to extract the file into our FiveM resources. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now open the file, then go to config.lua. So this is the configuration of the script over here. In the framework section, I'll suggest to keep it on auto. So this is the default configuration to open the target eye. You can configure it according to your preference. From here, you can configure the cursor style. These are the styles over here. From here, you can configure the size, stroke, and much more. So I'll be keeping them default for now. And there are much more configurations over here. You can configure them according to your preference. Now make sure to delete the default target eye system from the resource. Now before starting up the server, make sure to ensure the resource in the server.cfg. For that, copy the name of the resource. Open the server.cfg. Now paste it above all other resource. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in the server now. And this is the target eye which we have installed into our FiveM server. So let me show you some usage of this target eye. So if you show your target eye, this is the UI of this target eye over here. So let's use it on this store. You won't even get any cursor. Just click left mouse button and open the store. Just like this, you can even open your police armory. So this is how you can use this target eye. So that's it for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.